We'll guide you through how to install a shipping plugin for WooCommerce. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and make sure you're logged in as an administrator. Once there, look on the left-hand side for the Plugins option and click on Add New. In the search bar at the top right, type in WooCommerce Shipping or the specific shipping plugin you're interested in, like table rate shipping or flexible shipping. Once you find the plugin you want to install, click the Install Now button next to it. After the installation is complete, the button will change to Activate. Click on it to activate the plugin. Now, the shipping plugin is part of your WooCommerce setup. Next, you'll need to configure it to suit your needs. Go to the WooCommerce settings by clicking on WooCommerce in the left-hand menu, then select Settings, and navigate to the Shipping tab. Here, you'll find the new options added by your plugin. Depending on the plugin, you may be able to set up shipping zones, methods, and rates. For example, if you're using a table rate shipping plugin, look for the Table Rates tab and start by adding a new table rate. You can specify different rates based on order weight, number of items, or total cost. Make sure to save your settings after making changes. It's a good idea to test the checkout process on your site to ensure everything is working correctly. Check if the shipping methods and rates appear as expected when you add items to your cart and proceed to the checkout page. This will help you catch any potential issues before your customers do. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.